Hi, my name is Victoria, and today I'm going to show you how to buy photographic prints in the wholesale shopping cart in Workspace. So once you've logged in, go to the main navigation and click Buy and then Photographic Prints. On this page you can choose the size and product finish of your image. Depending on the size of the print you choose, you may have options to have your prints matted, mounted and texturized, as well as different paper type options such as luster, metallic, and a limited range of glossy print sizes are available. I've added a link to our products page in the description where you can get more information about this. With the first menu, select the size of the print, and with the second, choose the finish option. On the left here you can click through the different images that give you an example of the different types of paper you could select, or some other product options. Click Select Images, and here you can select from an existing event or upload some new files. I'm going to select from an existing event, and once you've selected the image that you want to use, click and then drag and drop into the box at the top of the page, and your selection will appear here. Now from here you can edit the image crop, change the quantity, change the product size and the product finish option as well. You could also click the trash can, which will delete your selection, and then you can start again. You can edit the image crop by zooming and repositioning the photo. Rotate the print if you choose to do so. Once you're happy with how the image looks, click Save and Close. From here you could add more images by clicking and dragging into the box just like we did before, and you have the options that you could change there. If you wanted to change to a metallic print here, you would select it in the options and then click Update Item, and this information will change. So once you're happy with that, click View Cart. Here you can check your order details and make any changes if necessary. From here you could go back to Images and select more, empty your cart and start again, or click Next to enter your details and finish the order. You can see on the right hand side is your order summary that tells you the total items, the subtotal, the tax and the grand total. Once you're happy with that, click Next. Here you can enter your details or choose to send directly to your client. You can only do this if your client is in your region. Be sure to include any special instructions and select your shipping options on this page as well. If you had a coupon, you could enter it in the right hand side box here, and once you're done, click Continue to checkout. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.